She said, well, you guys having so much fun in here, I thought I'd go ahead and see what's going on. Yeah. That's what I thought I'd do.
I'm not going to
Turn around, sweetheart.
video cameraing.
Yeah, we got two dogs that are playing. Yeah.
She's video cameraing us.
She is. Shall I make a face? We're just having a lot of fun.
You are. I heard you from out there, and I thought, well, I got to come in here. These crazy girls are having too much fun in here.
We are. What was that?
I have a text message.
Oh. Okay.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Bye, bye, bye.
Okay, it's my turn,
My
I think.
foot says bye, too.
Where's my... There it is. All right, come on. I want a good one. Oh.
That's not very good.
1. Pay $2 to the phone. Yeah, that's right. 1. Oh. You see, I remember here. Red Line Railroad. Roll again. So I get to roll again.
No, you were on this one.
Yep, but I moved it
No,
one.
you were on this one. You over to that. So I get the point.
This is more fun than a barrel of monkeys. You know that? Now what?